In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select aspect ratio in Kaiber. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to choose the format that best fits your project and the platform you're creating for. First, sign into your Kaiber account. Head to the home page and log in so you land on your main dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see the place where new projects begin. Next, click on Create a Video. This opens a fresh project workspace where you can set up your creative choices before you generate or refine your visuals. Starting here ensures your video inherits the right dimensions from the beginning, which can save you time later. Now, go to the Advanced features. In Kaiber, the most precise controls live behind an Advanced or More settings area. Look for a clearly labeled tab, toggle, or link within the Project Setup panel. Opening these options reveals deeper controls designed for fine-tuning the look and layout of your video. From there, click on the Aspect Ratio options. This is the control that sets the relationship between your video's width and height. Choosing the right ratio helps your video fill the screen perfectly on the platform where it will be viewed. You'll typically see familiar choices like 16:9 for standard widescreen, great for YouTube and most desktop players, 9:16 for vertical, ideal for stories, reels, and TikTok, 1.1 for a perfect square, which sits nicely in many feeds, and sometimes 4:5, a slightly taller portrait that can stand out in mobile feeds. If you're unsure, think about where your audience will watch. The wrong ratio can introduce black bars or unexpected cropping, so a deliberate choice here really pays off. Finally, select the ratio you want. Click the format that matches your destination and your content. If your footage is highly horizontal, like landscapes or screen recordings, 16.9 keeps details intact. For handheld, face-to-camera clips aimed at mobile viewers, 9:16 maximizes screen real estate. Square or 4:5 can be a good compromise when you want a balanced, scroll-stopping look in a feed. After you pick a ratio, Kaiber typically updates the canvas so you can see how your framing shifts. Keep in mind that changing the ratio can trim the edges of your content, so choose the format that protects your main subject and on-screen text. That's it, you're logged in, you've created a video project, opened the advanced features, accessed the aspect ratio options, and selected the best format for your needs. With your ratio set, you can move forward confidently, knowing your video is framed perfectly for its final destination.